Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I wanted to use the new Tarte Sugar Rush Sunbeams and Daydreams palette. I really like this palette because it has neutrals along with pops of color, and it even comes with an eyeshadow brush. So you can do so many different looks with just this small palette, but if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. I'm starting off with this shade right here. I think it's called Stargazing. The names are on the back, so it's hard to make sure they're lined up. But this is going to be my transition color, so I'm placing it right above my crease, building it up, and just building the color until it's as dark as I want. And then I will take a clean fluffy brush to make sure all the edges are nice and buffed out. For my crease, I'm going in with this shade possibly called Comet, but I am just going to do the same thing, just build it until it's as dark as I want. Next, I'm taking the shade Beam of Light and placing this all over my lid, and I really wanted it to stand out, so I sprayed my brush with just a setting spray that I had to really make it pop. Now I'm going back in with that first shade that I used, Stargazing, and just placing it all along my lower lash line. Now I'm going in with the shade Gravity and just placing this on my outer corner. I always like to kind of press it in and sweep it towards the center of my lid. That keeps it from having that sharp line between my lid color and the outer corner color. Hopefully that makes sense. And then I also like to drag it up into the crease. That way everything is nice and blended together. And then I also take it on the outer corner of my lower lash line as well. After I add that last shade, I always like to go back in and freshen anything up where I might have buffed it out too much. So I'll usually go back in with my lid color just to make it stand out a little bit more. And then once everything is freshened up, I take my clean fluffy brush and make sure there are no harsh lines. Now I'm going in with my favorite mascara, which is Man Eater by Tarte. And to finish up the look, I'm using the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Color Splash Lipstick in the shade Rum Punch, which is one of my favorite nude lipsticks. So that completes this look. I really hope that y'all liked it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I make new videos every week, and I have some really exciting ones coming up, so you don't want to miss them. But I don't have anything else to say except thank you for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video.